It's another beautiful day, and welcome back to my building series in Ghana. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and in today's video, we will be completing the beam work for the decking, and then we begin with the staircase construction. As you can see, this is day 2 of the beam installation. This is the biggest beam so far, and this is in the living room because there is no pillar underneath this beam, so they have to really install it very good. As you can see, this is a very big beam, and yeah, there's nothing holding it. It's going to be straight in the living room, so we really have to make it very strong and big. As you can see now, you'll see later in the video how big this beam will come out. So the guys are working very hard. They've already done every beam already. This is the last part which they have to do, and then we go with the plastic on top of the plywood, and then they start with the bars. So work is going on pretty well, slowly but sure. We're getting there gradually. So far I have spent about 30,000 Ghana cedis on the iron rods now. Yeah, because I want to cast the staircase as well, so we are doing both at the same time to save cost with the labor work of the concrete casting, because I have to rent a machine, and I believe that decking just this portion will will not take a whole day. I think it's going to be maybe half day or something, so it's better to include the staircase, which is not easy because I'm bleeding and casa. But in all, it is best to just cast it one time than do it twice, and spend extra money. So we have to do it at a go to save the money. So yeah, that is it now. So far the estimate for the whole concrete casting, we're looking between 50 to 60,000 Ghana cedis, including the staircase and everything. So let's see how that goes. I'm going step by step. Actually, I'm not buying everything at once. So just we buy, and then we see how far it goes. If it gets finished, then we buy another one, then we keep going. So this is the beam that I was saying. It's a very big one. It's a very big beam because there's nothing underneath. There's nothing going there. There's no block work, nothing there. So this is really supporting the whole building. Just in case you need a steel bender, guys, steel fixers for your project, please send me an email. I'll send the number of these guys to you. They are really good guys. They've been working on this project since day one. You can check in my previous videos how they did the first decking, and every project you see on my channel. If you check the Dowenya project, the Tema project, and this one, the Pam Pam project, they did the iron works. You see how they work. Very good guys. So if you need steel benders, let me know. You can send me an email and I'll forward their number to you. So this is just a motivation. Building is expensive, but everything is also expensive. Buying a new shoe is expensive. Buying a new watch, a new bag, anything you buy is expensive now. So if you want to build and you really want to do it, the only thing you need is time, focus, and be patient. So the little you have, just put into the project, and believe me, money will pop up from all angles, and you can just be going slowly. You should also know your budget. You should know how much you can afford, so know how to minimize your projects. Don't go for bigger projects if you know it's going to take you 10 years, 15 years to do it. you can always start small. So this is just a motivation for someone. As you can see, all the beams are done now. The plastic has also been laid, so they started with the bars, and also downstairs the construction of the staircase has also begun. As you can see, the carpentry work of the staircase has also begun. Gradually we're getting there, and I hope next week we can cast, and then I'm gonna take a dip again. Yeah, it's not easy, bro. It's not easy. But yeah, we have to do it. This is the path that we've taken, so we have to be responsible. So the staircase looking good already. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly please do so you don't miss out on any episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.
When we come, you have your land, have your documents, then we continue there with the designing and all. We can help and see what we come out with. So anything concerning the building, we are here to help as possible.
I hope you appreciate what you have seen it. Yeah, so keep it up watching this, give us more work. We have a strong team. So all we need your help for one else to work so that we will work. Yeah, every day, there'll be a good work. So don't worry. Any drawing, any planning, any work you bring there.
Thank everyone who do view and then contact us for our job. Yadamwasi, say about me for Emma Juma, Emma Yesu Yebi. Esi Yadamwasi pa.